Hey guys, in this video I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough on how to reduce a Adobe PDF or in general a PDF that probably has a large file size. So I've got a PDF here called large PDF. I'm going to go to properties and you're going to see that it's around 11 megs. So a lot of times you might run into an issue where you're trying to email a PDF and maybe your email client or your email provider has certain restrictions on how large of an attachment you can include when sending an email. Or if you're trying to upload it to a website, that website may have a restriction on how large attachments may be, specifically PDFs. So you may need to reduce the file size, while still retaining all the information, all the data that's part of the PDF. So in my case, I think I'm trying to upload this document to a website, and I think they only want it to be up to a maximum of 8 megs. So in order to do this, you will need the full version of Adobe Acrobat. I'm part of, I pay for Creative Cloud, so I get the Acrobat Pro. You will need the full version. I do not believe you can do this with just a reader. I think you'll need just the Pro. So I'll just minimize this. I'll just drag and drop this. Let me drop it like this. I'll just drag and drop it into here, and there's my PDF. So what I want to do now is I want to go to File, and there's actually two ways you could do it. You could go to File, Save As. And when you're saving as, there's an option to reduce the file size. If you check that, it will reduce the file size, but in my experience, it didn't do it that dramatically. I think it went from like 11 megs down to 10 megs, only reduced it by like 1 meg. And obviously that wasn't going to suffice for my 8 meg limit. So the other way is if I go to File and what was it? I believe, yeah, Save As Other, right below Save As, and there's an option to reduce size PDF. If you select that, it's going to give you some options on which compatibility versions you want to make this PDF to work with. And apparently it looks like the later versions work better as far as reducing the file size. I just went down to Adobe Acrobat 8 and did it that way. So I selected that and I hit OK. And then it's going to give me the option to save it, and I'll just call it 2 in the same directory. And save, and it should show up here on our desktop. It's reducing. So we will let it do its thing here. You could probably go with another compatibility version of Adobe. Maybe you might even try 9, or you can go down to maybe 7 or less. You can just play around with it just to see. Okay, so it's done. I'll right click on it, go down to Properties. And boom, you can tell now that I'm down to less than 7 megs, which the original one was 11. So it reduced it by almost like 5 megs, slightly less than 5 megs for sure. But that really helps out a lot, because this is right in between my my limit for 8 megs. So I can take this file and you can see it's the exact same file. All the the document, all the text and everything is still there, and so it retains all your data. So with that, you can go ahead and either email it out to one of your recipients or upload it to a website. So I hope this video was informative for you. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.